To update software on the XMT, you must first go to millerwelds.com to find the latest software revision available. If the software on the machine matches the website, you have the latest version. Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully. To check the machine's current software version, power off the machine and insert a blank USB stick. Power up the machine and wait until the display says USB done. Insert the USB stick into the computer and open the summary file and confirm version, or press the hidden button between VRD and stiff LEDs. Versions are in alphabetical order. Now, to perform the software update, turn the power switch off on the XMT. Disconnect any feeders from the power source. Insert USB with updated software files into the rear USB connector on the power source. Turn on the power source. The update process will begin automatically. Display will show a decimal point in the right display while updating the power source. Display may go blank for a period of time, and the decimal point will be lit again as the update is occurring. Display may show the following messages during or after the update process. Caution: do not unplug USB flash drive or turn off power until the update is complete. To verify all software loaded correctly, rotate the adjust knob clockwise on the power source. Turn the power switch off. Remove USB stick from the rear of the power source. The power source is now ready to operate with the latest software revision and improvements. For more detailed information, consult your owner's manual or visit millerwelds.com.